Hello guys, you use smartphone Xiaomi Redmi Go. This version 1GB RAM memory and 8GB internal memory. Start unpacking. Global version. Look completion. In completion we have device in the blue color. Okay. Protected film. Charger. Adapter for charging. And micro USB cable. That's all completion. With completion without headphones. Okay. And now talk about device. Made plastic. On the back side camera and LED. On the front side 5-inch display, 3 sensor key and front camera, talk speaker. On the left side 2 slots. First slot for nano SIM card. Open this slot. First SIM. And second slot. Slot for second nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Okay, close. Outside headphones jack and microphone. Downside microphone, port micro USB and speaker. On the left side, power key and volume keys. Okay, turn on device. IPS HD display. Android version 8.1.0. Redmi Go, version Android 8.1.0. Close this. Open Geekbench 4. Talk about system information. CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 425. This is quad-core processor. GPU Adreno 308 resolution HD display PPA. Okay, look results CPU test, single core score and multi-core score, and look GPU test results. This GPU test results. Okay, close this. Open next test. This is game test. Open Assassin's Creed and look how this game works on the device. Game load. Start game. Okay, this low graphic level. But game works smooth. Without lags and glitches, but this low graphic level. Okay, close this. And now talk about camera. Camera 8 megapixels, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.